introduce myself. Myself Vaishali Amol Pardeshi. Our administrative officers is Snehalata Dumbre. Nodal bit officers is Sharat Kurade. Nodal HM is Mary Pushpam Paul. And assistant nodal HM is Mrs. Manpreet Kaur. CNO sir is Ratilal Kisan. Sir. Okay. Now today we are going to learn English subject. And in that subject, I will teach you English. Before starting my subject, I will start with thought of the day. Okay. So today's thought of day is:
If you want to
shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I repeat it again. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Can you tell me the meaning of this thought of the day? Okay, I will tell you. Means if you want to success, if you achieve any goal, so to achieve that goal, we have to face many problems. We have to struggle and we have to hard work. We have to do hard work. Means there are many problems in the path of success. To success, we have to go through that many obstacles. If you want to shine like a sun, then you must be willing to burn like a sun. Then you can only achieve your goal. Understand? And that thought is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Understand?
Yes.
Now, so our topic name is kinds of sentence.
Sentence.
So first topic is sentences. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Means what? I will give one example. I am a girl. This is a sentence. Okay. But if I read this sentence, girl am I. Is this sentence?
No.
Means what? This is a group of words, but it is not a complete sense. It is not put in a proper order. So you can't understand the meaning of that sentence. Understand what I tell you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will give another example. Listen carefully. That words are not proper. Huh? Friends, football, Rahul with plays his. Have you understood it?
Yes.
Listen. Now that words I proper order. Rahul plays a football with his friend. Now have you understood?
Yes.
Means what? That words I put in a proper orders. Means this make a sentence. Okay, now listen. Next. It contains, sentence contain subject and predicate. Subject contain two things. Sentence contain two things. One is subject and second one is predicate. Now what is subject? Subject is nothing but what you are going to talk about in that sentence. It is called subject. Understand?
Yes.
Understand? So first I tell you, I am a girl. In that sentence, which is the subject? I. Understand? Means subject is nothing but talk about. Subject is nothing but what you are going to talk about in that sentence. Means I am talking about myself. No, I. Understand? So this is a subject. Now next one is a predicate. So what is predicate?
Girl.
What you are going to tell about that subject. Means, who is she? Girl. I am a girl. That is a predicate. Understand? I will give one example. See, look at here. Ram speaks English. Here, Ram is subject and speak English. Who is speaking English? Ram. So Ram is subject. What Ram is doing? Speaking
Speaking
English.
English.
So that is a predicate.
Predicate.
Understand? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Now, Ram is a boy.
Always start.
How to identify the sentence? Listen carefully what I tell you. First listen, then I will ask the question and then you will give the answer. Okay. There are 3 things you keep in your mind. What is sentence? Always start with capital letter. First main thing that sentence is always start with a capital letter. Second one, mostly end with full stop or other. Other means question mark, exclamatory mark. Understand? And third and most important thing, I already told you, words are placed in a correct order to make a sense. Understand these 3 things? First of all, always start with capital letter and mostly end with the full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Understand? And third and main important thing, always I tell you that words are placed in a correct order. Then you can make the sense. Otherwise, if you are not putting in correct order, then you can't understand. I already give the example that is, suppose, is Ram a boy? Is boy Ram? That is correct order? No. Ram is a boy. It is a correct order. Then you can understand. Yes, Ram is a boy. Have you understood?
Teacher.
Very good. Next. Now today we are going to learn types of sentence.
Sentence.
Okay. There are 4 types of sentence. Listen carefully. I will ask you questions afterwards. How many types of sentence?
4.
First one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence and simple sentence. Listen carefully what I tell you. Declarative sentence is also called assertive and simple sentence. Okay. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And fourth one, exclamatory sentences. You repeat after me. Types of sentence.
Types of sentence.
There are 4 types of sentence.
There are 4 types of sentence.
First, declarative sentence.
Declarative sentence.
Second, interrogative sentence.
Second, interrogative sentence.
Third, imperative sentence.
Third, imperative sentence.
Fourth, exclamatory sentence.
Fourth, exclamatory sentence.
Okay. Now one by one we will see. First, declarative sentence. Listen carefully. I already told that declarative sentence is also known as simple sentence and assertive sentence. Okay. What we call simple sentence and assertive sentence. Very good. Now there are 4 points. You keep it in mind. How to identify the declarative or simple sentence? How you can identify? First, declarative sentence means is a statement. Okay, it's state or declare statement. Next, second one is it can be negative or positive statement. Okay, negative and positive also. It can be negative statement, it can be positive, and it can be negative statement also. It tells us something. It tells us something. Okay. Fourth, it always ends with full stop.
with a full stop.
Full stop. Okay. Means at the end, in the simple sentence, always put full stop only, not other mark, not other punctuation mark, only full stop. So you can identify the declarative sentence. Now I will give one example. First, she is a girl. Look at the example and observe that example. She is a girl. I am a boy. This is not my pen. These are all are simple sentence. Okay. And second thing, what? Look at the first example. She is a girl. Okay. So declarative sentence is a statement. It is a simple statement. She is a girl. Second point, no, third point, it tells us something. Means who is she? She is a girl. They tell something, no. And last one is the it ends with the full stop. Same second thing, same second example is there. I am a boy. Here I is subject, am a boy is predicate. Means it tell us something. He is a boy. Next, third one, this is not my pen. It can be negative statement. Not is there, no. So it is a negative statement. Understand? Declarative sentence. Have you understood? Yes. Next. Second type, interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It always ends with question mark. Listen carefully what I tell you. There are two things only keep in your mind how to identify the interrogative sentence. It always asks the questions. Okay. In this sentence, always ask the questions. And questions are two types. One is yes, no type question. And second one is a WH question. Now, I will give the example of yes, no type question. Do you like to play a chess?
Yes.
See, answer is you tell yes. Do you like to play a cricket?
Yes.
Yes. So, if you are giving the answer yes or no, that is a yes, no type question. And WH means what? They start with WH. Means where, what, who. Okay. So I will give one example. Where do you live? That is a question. Okay.
Yes.
And it ends with a question mark. So understand how to identify the interrogative sentence?
Yes.
Very good. Now I will show you I will show some example. See. First, what is your name? It starts with WH and ends with question mark. Listen carefully. It starts with WH and ends with question mark. Second one is, where are you going? It also starts WH means where and ends with a question mark. Who is this? This is also WH start with WH and ends with question mark. Can you anybody tell me any one example? Give me one example of interrogative sentence. Any question you can ask.
How old are you?
Very nice. Very good. Miss, how old are you? That is also ask the questions and see, look at here. It start with how. How is also W.
WH.
It start with HOW. How? Okay. You ask the question. Very nice. Good. Now third type. Imperative sentence. So imperative sentence. How to identify the imperative sentence? We use imperative sentence to give order or command or to make request, or here I didn't write, means advice. Okay, advice also. So we use imperative sentence to give order. Order means close the door. Okay. Bring me a tea. Order or command. Request. How to do request? Please give me a pen. And advice. Advice means what? Doctor give advice. See, we should do exercise daily. That is advice.
Yes.
Okay. Now listen second term. It begins with verb or term please. See, I already gave the example. Bring me a tea. Bring is a verb. Okay. Close the door. Close is also verb.
Yes.
Okay. So it starts with a verb or it begins with a verb and term please also. Last, I will tell you, please give me a water or please give me a pen. Now, and last, main important thing that it is usually end with the full stop. Listen, there are some difference in declarative sentence also end with full stop and interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. But there are some differences. Declarative is simple, interrogative ask questions, and imperative give how to identify imperative. It give order, command, advice, or request. To make a request. Okay. Now I will show some example. See, come here. Put it there. Close the door. Come. Now listen. Come here. It may be order or it may be command. Okay.
Yeah.
Put it there. Please close the door.
This is also order.
Okay, very good, nice. So understand. And second main thing, what? It start with verb. Come. Come is a verb. Put is also verb. And I tell you main important thing, it also start with please also. Means when we are make any request to anyone, that time we start with please. Please close the door. Please. Okay. So it is a request. Understand?
Yes.
So there are 4 types we already learned. First one is declarative. And we learn 3 sentences. Now last one is a exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling, emotion, or excitement. And it ends with a exclamation mark. Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
I will give an example. What a lovely girl Sneha is. What a lovely girl Sneha is. Whose pen, sorry. If you like any place where if you are going any place and you like very much that place, so how you can say, what a beautiful place it is. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Now I will show the example. What a lovely flower. If you saw the rose or any flower that you like, so how your reaction? How is your reaction? What a lovely flower. Next. Second
Good
question.
reaction.
What? Second example. Wow. I can't believe it. Wow. See, this is an exclamatory. Means suppose surprise, strong feeling, emotion. That time we say like this. Alas, she's gone. This is a means surprise. We can't listen that things. That time we also say like this. Now next. Understand this 4 type. First, declarative sentence.
Yeah.
Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And last one is a exclamatory sentence. So, have you understood?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, I will ask some questions. Okay. You tell me the answer. One by one. Huh? If you know the answer, teacher, can I? Okay. So, I will ask that student. Okay. See. Who told you this lie? Tell me which type of sentence. Who can tell?
Declarative sentence.
What? Hello. Answer. Which type of sentence?
उसको water चाहिए.
So tell me the answer. Which type of sentence? If you are make request, that time which type of sentence?
Declarative sentence.
Very good. See, please close the door. So it is also request, no?
Yes.
Please get me some water. It is a request. So it is also imperative sentence. Understand?
Yes.
Very good. Next. My mother is writer.
Declarative sentence.
Very good. Declarative sentence is also known as?
Simple sentence.
Very good. And
Acid sentence.
assertive sentence. Very good. Good. Now we will check our answer. See, who told you this lie? Interrogative sentence. I want to be a doctor. Declarative sentence. What did you do then? Interrogative sentence. Please get me some water. Imperative sentence. And my mother is a writer. Declarative sentence. Now next. Okay. Again, I will ask some questions. Tell me, what a lovely hair you have. Observe the sentence and tell me. Which type of sentence?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Exclamatory sentence.
Very good. Exclamatory sentence. Next, 7th one. Stand up.
Interrogative sentence. Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Interrogative sentence.
No, it is not question. Interrogative.
Sentence.
Which?
Imperative.
Imperative, not interrogative. Okay. Imperative sentence. It gives the order. Stand up. So it is a imperative sentence. Stop right there.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes,
Can
yes,
I
yes.
tell?
Yes, yes.
Imperative sentence.
Very good. Ram is a good dancer.
Interrogative sentence. Teacher, can
Ram
I?
is a good dancer.
Teacher, can I tell? Exclamator sentence.
Please don't talk. Please don't talk. Yes.
Declarative sentence.
Very good. Declarative sentence. Next, last one is how sad.
Can I?
Yes, yes.
Exclamatory sentence.
Very good. Because it ends with the exclamatory mark. Understand? Okay, very good. Now we will check our answer. See, very nice. What a lovely hair you have. Exclamatory. Good. Stand up. Imperative. Stop right there. Imperative. Ram is good answer. Declarative and how sad is the exclamatory sentence. Understand? Now, listen. Now we are, I am asking you MCQ type questions. I will give 3 options. You choose correct option. If you choose the correct option, you got 1 point. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Now next. How fantastic.
Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence.
Okay. We will check answer. Huh? Good. You got 1 point. Very good. Now next. One by one you tell. Huh? No chorus answer. Next question. It is a very easy.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence.
And anyone can?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Imperative.
Huh?
Imperative sentences.
No.
Sentence.
It is wrong. See, we will check answer. Huh? No, you didn't got the marks. It is an assertive sentence. It is a very easy, simple statement. Simple statement is there, no? Okay. So, declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence. I already told you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then how you forgot? Next questions. Okay. What a surprise.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Exclamatory sentence.
Okay, we will check the answer now. Good, you got 1 point. Very nice. Exclamatory sentence. Next.
WH.
Very good. And next one is?
Exclamatory
It ends with a question marks. Okay, so that's why it is an interrogative sentence. Now we will check the answer. Is it right or wrong? See, look at here. Yes, you got 1 point. Very good.
Oh, wow.
Next question. He was not happy. He was not happy.
Negative sentence. Negative sentence.
How you can identify this negative sentence?
Because there is told he was not happy.
Here is one word is there. No, not. Okay, I will. Okay, we will check now answer. Is it wrong or right? Yes, you got 1 point. Very good. It is a negative sentence. Next.
Could you please give me a glass of water?
Very good. Tell the answer.
Exclamatory sentence.
Yes.
Sentence.
Huh?
Imperative sentence.
Which one? First, second, or third?
First.
No, it is wrong.
Because teacher, there is please.
No. But at the last, see, look at the last. It is question mark.
Interrogate sentence.
See,
Answer.
observe the sentence carefully and punctuation mark also. Punctuation mark is very important. It asks the questions. Could you please give me a glass of water? Understand? Okay, now we will check our answer. Good. We will got 1 marks. Next.
Open the door.
Yes, tell the answer. Open the door.
Imperative sentence.
How you can identify that it is imperative sentence?
Because in this sentence, this sentence is doing order.
Very good. Because in that sentence, open the door. It is an order. And it ends with a full stop. And third thing that it starts with a verb.
Yes.
Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Now we will check our answer. Good. You got 1 point. Very nice. Good. Okay. Next sentence.
You should have.
Now who will read? Read properly. Okay. And read loudly.
You should have come for a party last week.
Very nice.
Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence.
Which one?
Imperative sentence, third one.
Anyone can give answer. Anybody want to other answer?
Teacher, first one is answer. Imperative sentence.
Okay, we will check whose answer is correct. Yes, assertive sentence. Who will tell interrogate imperative? It is not order, it is not request, it is not command. So how you can say it is only simple sentence and it ends with a full stop. So listen carefully. Don't mistake in declarative and imperative sentence. Understand? So it is a assertive sentence. Assertive means simple sentence. Understand?
Yes.
Next. Yes, who will read this?
Does not recall it. Negative sentence. It is not recall it. Negative sentence.
How you can identify it is negative sentence?
Because there said he does not recall it.
Very good. Because here is a not. Not word is there, no? That's
Yes.
why it is a negative sentence. So we will check our answer. Yes, you got 1 point. Very good. He does not recall it. Now,
Bring me a glass of water.
okay, tell me. Answer.
Assertive sentence.
Anyone?
Interrogative sentence.
Anyone?
Imperative sentence.
Okay, only one is remain, then an imperative sentence. Yes, I will tell it is not assertive, it is not interrogative. Interrogative, is it ask the questions? No, so it is not interrogative sentence. Next, it is imperative sentence. Why? Because bring me a glass of water. It give command or order. Okay. So bring, and bring is a verb. So it is an imperative sentence. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I will again repeat it. Listen, I will again repeat you. See, look at here. There are 4 types of sentence. First one is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. You are confusing in declarative sentence. Huh? Always you are confusing. Listen, declarative means declarative sentence is a statement, simple statement. And it can be positive or it can be negative. So it is a declarative or simple sentence. And declarative sentence is also known as a
Assertive sentence.
very good. And it tells us something. That it is a it tells us something. I am a girl. Means myself is girl, is telling you. And it always ends with full stop. Understand? She is a girl, I am a boy, this is not my pen. These are the simple statement. So this is the simple statement. Next, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks questions. It always ends with question mark. Understand? Can you hear?
Teacher.
Very good. What is your name? Where are you? Going? Who is this? And third one is imperative sentence. Okay, who will read it?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
He used imperative sentence to give order or command or to make
Request.
request. It
Okay.
with the verb or the team. Please.
Okay.
It usually end with a full stop.
Very good. Come here. Put it there. Please close the door. Now last one is the exclamatory sentence. Show strong feeling, emotion or excitement. And it ends with an exclamation mark. Understand? These 4
Yes,
types.
sir.
How many types of there?
4 types of
Sentence.
types of sentence.
Can you tell me? Repeat it.
Declarative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence.
Okay. Anybody can repeat?
Can I? Declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence.
Yes. Anybody?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence,
Listen. I repeat it. Read. Say after me. First, declarative sentence,
declarative sentence,
interrogative sentence,
interrogative sentence,
imperative sentence,
sentence, imperative sentence,
and last one is the exclamatory sentence.
exclamatory sentence.
Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Can anybody repeat that 4 types?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative.
Wait. One by one.
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence,
Now listen. Imperative and interrogative. Imperative is different and interrogative is different.
interrogative.
And last one is?
And exclamatory sentence.
Now who will repeat again?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
The
Declarative.
Declarative sentence, interal sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence.
Imperative and interrogative. You are confusing interrogative and imperative. Understand? Now note down your homework. Thank you. Note down your homework. Have you noted?
Yes.
Okay. You write the answer in your notebook, okay? Afterwards. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you very much.